Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have JBL FC650 headphones and I'm going to tell you how can you easily pair these headphones with your iPhone. At first, tap on settings in your iPhone and go to Bluetooth. Here you have to now turn on your headphones using this switch. Just do this move. And after doing so, you have to click this Bluetooth button over here, near this LED light over here, as you can see. Let me have a focus over here. And now you have to click on this Bluetooth button. And as you can see here, we have JBL F650 BTNC hard reset. You have to tap on it. And now you are paired. That's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.